Number 17, a farmer has, I don't know why it's 17, whatever. A farmer has 100 feet by 100-foot plot of land he needs to water. He has a sprinkler that waters in a circle. The sprinkler has a reach of 50 foot. If he puts the sprinkler in the center of the plot of the land, what percent of the plot will be watered? So they show us the plot here. They gave us a nice diagram. Thank you. And yeah, we see that since it's a 50-foot sprinkler and it goes in a circle, that it goes right up to the edges. You know, these four edges of this looks like it's a square plot of land because it's 100 feet by 100 feet. Now, we do need to be aware that it's asking for the percentage of the plot that will be watered. And for the diagram that's shown to us, that's just the yellow portion of it. So here's what we got. Let's go ahead and find the actual area of both the square and then the circle. So if I wanted the area of the square, well, that'd be 100, length times width, or side times side for a square, which is, looks like 10,000. Square feet. Yeah, square feet, right here. All right, but then we need to find the area of the circle. Okay, because this is the amount of area of the plot that is actually getting watered by the sprinkler. Well, that's pi, because it is a circle, times the radius, 50, times the radius, 50. And yes, I'm still using the pi button in my calculator to make this calculation. So I got pi times 50 times 50, and what I get back from the calculator is this 2,500 pi. Now this is, just in case the assignment asks for this would be the actual this is the, it's saying on the assignment that it's the answer in terms of pi, which really is the real answer here. Now, of course, pi is irrational, so that we wouldn't need actually all of the decimal places. But it is the most accurate because it shows the value of pi. So again, this would be in square feet right here. And yeah, again, you're going to be asked for this type of answer on the assignment. But then it's going to say, well, we want the rounded answer to the nearest hundredth, I guess. So on my calculator, it's showing this 2,500 pi. So just right above the enter button is that double arrow button. That'll change it to a decimal. And for me, it shows 7,853.98. Said the nearest hundredth. So that next place value in the thousandths is 1, which means the 8 will stay the same. And then we can label this in square feet. Okay? Now again, this is not the actual answer that we wanted because it said we want to know what percentage of the plot will be watered. So, a percent, you can make a percent proportion. Not that you'd have to on this one, but you could. You could say, we don't know the percent. That's what we're trying to figure out. And the entire plot, the whole plot, the total plot is 10,000 square feet. So that would be the denominator. And part of the plot that's being watered is, well, we know that area. And I don't really care which one you use, 78 point. I'll use the decimal one. Most students feel more comfortable with this. So then you can solve this proportion, 78, 100 times 78.93.98, by 10,000. I got 78.5%. I mean, there was more decimals there. But I'm just going to round this to the nearest, well, tenth of a percent. Not that it told me, but I'm going to do that. So that would be 78.5%. That's the amount of property that is actually being watered.